Today, I'm going to make vegetarian tonkotsu ramen. First, let's prepare for seasoned eggs for topping. I'm going to make 5 half-boiled eggs in the egg cooker. If you cook eggs in a pot, cook the eggs in boiling water for 8 minutes. By the way, I bought this egg cooker at Target and I was so impressed with American product. Egg cookers are not common in Japan, but it will be a big hit if they sell this product in Japan. $50 ml of water. Add 50 ml of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of mirin. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add a green onion. When the eggs are ready, put them in cold water and peel the eggshells. Soak the eggs in the sauce and put them in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. Next, let's make the soup. Peel and grate ginger and garlic. Add 300 ml of water to a pot. 1 teaspoon of mushroom seasoning. If you eat chicken, you can use chicken bouillon powder instead. 1 teaspoon of grated garlic. 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Bring it to a boil. Dissolve 2 tablespoons of miso in the ladle. When you use Japanese miso for cooking, make sure to add it last and avoid overheating it, since it will lose its flavor when overheated. Add 200 ml of soy milk. Warm up the soup. Don't bring the soup to a boil, as soy protein in soy milk coagulate and separate when overheated. The soup is ready. In the meantime, let's prepare for the toppings. Add 2 bok choy in boiling water and cook them for 2 minutes. Cook noodles for 2 people. Today, I'm going to use angel-hair pasta noodles instead of ramen noodles. Angel-hair pasta noodles are a good alternative to ramen noodles. If you like spicy food, add tobanjan chili bean sauce on top. The vegetarian tonkotsu ramen is ready. Enjoy!